Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving palindrome number. So the problem statement states that you are given an integer n. You need to check whether the number is palindrome number or not. Return true if it's palindrome number, otherwise return false. A palindrome number is a number which reads the same from both left to right and right to left. For example, 1 to 1 is true, but 1 to 3 is false. Because when we read the letter 1 to 3 from right to left, it will be 3 to 1, which is not equal to 1 to 3. So let's solve this problem. The simple algorithm would be to reverse the number and check if the original number and the reversed number is same or not. So let me keep track of the original number. Original number will be my n, and my reverse, I have to track a reverse number. So first let's fill the reverse number. And to reverse a number, I need one more variable called reminder. I am setting it to 0 as of now. So we'll write the reverse logic right now. So while n is greater than 0, first we'll calculate the remainder. So remainder will be n modulus 10. And my reverse number would be reverse into 10 plus the remainder. And I have to reduce the original number. So n is equal to n divided by 10. This while loop will reverse the number and set the reverse order in the reverse attribute. Now we have to make a check if my original number is equal to the reversed number, then I will return true. Else, for any other condition, will return false. So let's run this code. Yes, so both the test cases have passed. Let me submit the code. So all the 14 test cases have passed. Thank you, friends.